Welcome guys, today I am gonna explain you Samsung Crystal QLED Ultra HD TVs RU7100, TU7000, TU8000, Q60T, Q70T and similar models, rear connections and wall mount support. Guys, you are watching that I have a Samsung UN43RU7100 model. It have one antenna input, 3 HDMI connections, 2 USB connections and one optical out on the side of the TV. You can use HDMI 3 and optical out to connect any home theater out sound or soundbar if you want to enjoy surround sound. HDMI 3 is mentioned ARC as audio return channel. There are two USB inputs with 1 ampere and 0.5 ampere rating. You can connect an external hard disk drive on 1 ampere jack. There is one Ethernet port on the back side used for internet connectivity, and audio video in-out connections on the back side. You can use them if you have any old sound system set-top box. On the right bottom and left bottom corner, you can connect table stand. This is the wall bracket you can buy from your local market or online for mounting TV on the wall. It can support TV from 32 inches to 65 inches. This is the part you have to install on the wall for hanging TV. These are the plastic supports that will be inserted in the TV back for screw supports. Screws used are 40 mm or 50 mm. This is how TV back looks after installing brackets. AC card is also inserted. Now we will mount it on the wall. Here's the final look of our Samsung TV mounted on wall. You can sit back and enjoy watching your favorite TV shows. Hopes this video helps you. Kindly leave a like and do subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.